What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW. And today we got ourselves a day trading recap. Check it out. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and jump into this recap here today. Today's been a day of patience, lots of patience, and lots of waiting, and there's still plenty of waiting to be had here today on Tesla. That's what I was hunting down today, but I do have a few stocks here we're going to go over. And before we do me one quick favor, guys. Smash that like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I upload my next video, and comment in the comment section below. I often get asked, I get asked, Jesse, how can I help support the channel? The easiest way to support the channel is smashing the like button, or just simply tapping it, or you can destroy it however you want. Comment in the comment section and subscribe. When you do all three, you feed the YouTube algorithm and the channel gets pushed up. It's simple as that, guys. If you want to go a step further, there are links in the description section below, like Webull. You download the app, you fund your account with $100, you get 2 free stocks valued between $1,200 to $1,400, and you have First Trade. You just download the app, open an account, you get 1 free stock. So you want to take advantage of that. And if you want to get a little bit deeper into things, you want to have your own tools to find stocks to trade, look for trade ideas in the description section. Those are the scanners I use every single day to find stocks. And you have the coupon code there for 15% off, along with my link for your very own trade ideas. All right, so make sure you take advantage of that. Check it all out down there in the description section. Now today, I had tweeted out my watch list. If you don't follow me on Twitter and you want to be a part of it there and find my watch list every single day, link in the description section as well to my Twitter account. You can follow me there. Now, stuff I had on watch today, I had CVAC on watch. Looking to see if this thing was going to make, a real nice red to green move. No dice so far. VWAP has held up as resistance, so shorts have been in control of that stock today. LMPX I had on watch. This one, that's my kid. She's having a blast. This one right here had an attempt to a red to green move right here. Broke over VWAP, broke back underneath it, found support in that general zone, and then pushed up, made a new high a day, and immediately took it all back. And you know how it is. As soon as you make a new high, take it all back like that, go right back to that support zone, which is down here in VWAP. It becomes kind of bearish or choppy. And sure enough, it has been exactly that, very choppy trade in itself here. So nothing for me on LMPX. I had OPK on watch as well. This one's made a decent move here. We had that red to green move I always like to look for. However, it kind of lily-gagged up here in front of the high of the day. Came back down to test it. Okay, now it's not an immediate test. That's one thing you need to note. We made a new high and we consolidated sideways before coming back down. Had this made a new high and pushed right back down here to VWAP, then that would have been bearish. However, it held VWAP and pushed right off of it. So it's something to keep on watch. If it holds above VWAP in these initial morning high area, at least one of those two zones, we could get ourselves a little afternoon squeeze on OPK. SPY doesn't care about anything in the world. It just goes, it just goes. Look at this. Market's up here just underneath all-time highs. Who cares? Who cares about jobless claims? It doesn't matter. Let's move on to Tesla. So we go to Tesla, and Tesla's been an absolute tear. It has that 5-to-1 reverse split that's coming. So, if Tesla makes it to 2,000, if you have one share of Tesla for $2,000 that you bought it at, after the split, you're going to have 5 shares of Tesla. So, and obviously it'll be down at the $200 area. So this is something that has caught on a lot of hype because I guess people want to buy it before the split. Makes no sense. Honestly, it's not like you're going to, you should see the comments in some of the comment sections out there on like stock tweets. It's like they think they're getting it on special or something. They're going to get 5 free shares or something. I don't know. Anyways, Tesla right here has been on a tear. Look at the hourly chart. Ever since that announcement, it's just been boom, like straight up. And we're up here testing all-time highs. I'm definitely going to continue to watch this. I expect it to at least test all-time highs again today, if not break them and move. If it does, I might look for a swing trade on a call and hold that overnight. It's going to be high risk, high reward. So, keep that in mind if you go into a call option trade with Tesla for an overnight swing. I might look at it, but like I said, be very mindful. It is very high risk. But again, of course, it's high reward. Now we're getting this 90 MA VWAP cross here on the 15-minute chart. I wish I would have done this around 2-3 p.m. instead of in the middle of lunchtime. But for now, this is what happened today for me. Tesla just gapped up, pushed straight off the bell, then no pullback. I tweeted out that I was looking for a 1750 pullback. No pullback. It just went sideways here. Consolidations, very choppy. Let's see here if you can see that real quick. I'll zoom in a little bit for you. Right there, just pushed up, sideways consolidation, and then bang, right off of this 23.6 fib and this 9 EMA. Just really hard, difficult to gauge that trade. Nothing there for me. Then we finally looked like we were going to pull in. We push. I was looking for a pull in down here. Nope, just that one quick flush, and then it took it right back into a new high. Then it finally came back down, but not far enough for me to get involved. So no trades other than scalps that I'm going to show you here. Other than scalps, nothing here for me. Then finally we got one pullback into this VWAP area, but really it's still far away from VWAP because this low of this candle is 1753, and we had VWAP at the time down here in 1748. So, you know, it really didn't test VWAP in a sense. You could have gone along there and held VWAP as your stop, but it's a lot of risk going on there. It's pushed up now. We're going to see if it consolidates. I'd like to see it come back down to VWAP leading into that 2 p.m. area of the day, because maybe I can grab a call in there, or two calls preferably, one for a day trade and then one for a swing trade. And that way the day trade one can, you know, bounce off of VWAP, give me some profit to cushion for the swing trade. The volume's been great on Tesla so far, but it's been a very difficult to trade stock today. Let me grab the recordings here for you and we'll go over the live trades. I believe I have at least one of them recorded. I do have one loss on Tesla today, and this might be the loss actually. Let's see here. Yeah, this is definitely, I think this is the loss. I have two trades. No, this is a win. So I just have one contract here. I really wanted to add to it, but like I felt it was sticky. You see there how I just took profit really early? Well, right after that, it just came right back down. Let me see here if I have the recording. Okay, I believe this is it. Can you see it there? Yeah. So here we go. This is after I sold. I thought it was going to get sticky there, but look, it just continues to push right up there. Very difficult, like I said, to gauge Tesla today. And then I took one more scalp trade right in here, holding the 1780 as support, looking for a push to a new high. So I'm in one contract there at $55. And I thought, you know, we might get a squeeze right through the all-time high, and boom, go straight to, you know, 1800, 1820, and this call would just be a monster play. So this is a very tight, you know, high risk or high reward type play, but it struggles. It kind of struggles. Boom, we make the new high of the day, but it does not break the all-time high. It does not break the all-time high. So right there, when this candle starts to like lollygag right there in front of that new high, I take it off right there. And I'll show you right now. I'm kind of glad that I took it off right there, because that was right in here. It immediately dumped right back down, and it has not gone back up there again today. So I'm glad I took that one off up there. I'll show you my orders here. Let me grab those real quick. First trade of the day, lost $222. Second trade, made $166. Third trade, made $223. So all in all, on the day, you know, we're up $168. But obviously, when we talk about Tesla and the way I've generally traded, you know, these aren't huge positions here. These aren't huge wins or losses. I'm going to continue watching. As you can see here, it's creeping back up to the day's high. I'm really hoping it doesn't break out now. I would really much prefer it to find resistance up there and come back down, test VWAP, consolidate all throughout lunch, so that we can get that cleaner push into the day's end. Otherwise, it's just going to make it that much more difficult to day trade, and that much more difficult of a decision to make for a swing trade, which I think if it pushes up today, during lunch, like it looks like it's about to do right now, I might not swing trade it, and I really hope it doesn't do that. Or if at least it does, it makes such a big, strong move that it allows us the opportunity to take a swing trade later this afternoon when we get closer to the close, you know, for the day. Let me know how you've traded Tesla. I mean, this thing was a monster today. Maybe you got in on that push or took a shot at it during the sideways consolidation. I was really looking for a deeper pullback into that 1750 area where I could confidently get long 2 or 3 contracts and have a real nice ride on up to that $1,800 zone. It just didn't give it to me. There's a lot of FOMO behind Tesla today, and there's going to be a lot of FOMO leading up into this split later on this month, which I believe takes place on 8/31. So we'll see what happens after that. Anyways, guys, that's it for me today. If I take another day trade on Tesla at the end of the day, I will definitely do another video on it if it's something worthy of a video. If not, make sure you follow me on Twitter. I will post any updates there, along with if I take a swing trade on it. Remember to smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I upload my next video, and I'll catch you on the next one.